Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Guys, once again I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker who is providing $30 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $30 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. I trade FX market and $30 no deposit bonus 2024. Bonus summary. Broker name, I trade FX market. Available for new traders. Validity date, the 31st of December 2024. Bonus amount, $30. I trade FX market no deposit bonus is a great way to enter the live markets for fresh clients to test the live trading services. Each applicant must register under the campaign to opt in for the promotion to receive a $30 bonus. Use the live trading terminal to trade with real market conditions with all the available features of a live platform. Trade global financial assets to complete the trading volume lot and fund a $20 to withdraw profits. Forex $30 USD no deposit bonus 2024. Register an account. Verify the personal details. Get a bonus of $30. Cash out? Bonus? No. Profits? Yes, after making a deposit of no less than $20 USD and trading 10 lots. Forex Hub no deposit bonus. Terms. General terms and conditions apply. The offer is only for the new clients of the company. This offer may be terminated anytime without such notice. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks. Important note. Before you decide to trade with this Forex broker, it is important to be aware